Welcome to La Quinta Inn by Wyndham Birmingham, Inverness, your home away from home in the heart of Birmingham. At La Quinta Inn, we pride ourselves on providing exceptional service and comfortable accommodations for every guest. Each of our guest rooms is thoughtfully designed with your comfort in mind. Our pet-friendly hotel offers free self-parking on site, business services and indoor pool, fitness center, and delicious complimentary breakfast, featuring a selection of hot and cold items to suit every taste. Alabama. Our hotel boasts a contemporary design and a convenient location near the Inverness neighborhood. With easy access to major highways and popular attractions such as Grandview Medical Center, Oak Mountain State Park, and explore the vibrant culture and rich history of Birmingham, just minutes away from our hotel. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, La Quinta Inn by Wyndham Birmingham, Inverness is your ideal choice for a comfortable and memorable stay in Birmingham. Book your stay with us today and experience the exceptional hospitality of La Quinta Inn by Wyndham Birmingham, Inverness. Visit www.laquintainbirminghamal.com